On today's video, I'm solving this question in Edabit. It's called Capture the Rock. The question reads, write a function that returns true if two rocks can attack each other and false otherwise. So then here, it says if the same letter or same column number, then we should return true. It also returns false. We're going to use here for this question the substring. So we're going to use the index, and then we're going to substring compare these two, and substring compare these two. And if either of the cases match, it returns true. So this will look like this if statement. So we're looking for the index of 0, and we're going to use the dot substring, and this is the first element, and we're looking for the dot equals, so if it's matching the one at the first element now in the array, substringing this guy, and he's going to be the next part. Now they're both matching, so now we have the A and the E here in this one. So now they're both comparing each other. And then the next part we need is the OR statement. This OR statement. It's very similar to this. Just that now we're comparing the next part here to this part. So now if that's true, and that either of these work, then just return true. Inside just return false. And submit. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching.